NASA is launching a rocket to the moon today, and I'll share 10 things so you don't miss it. I mean, it's April Fool's Day, and NASA has tricked us before. The rocket won't land on the moon, but it will be the farthest journey a human has ever made around it. 2. The rocket for this mission is basically a recycled version of the Space Shuttle project. 3. They will pass by the far side of the moon because the moon and the Earth are tidally locked, so we always see the same side of the moon. You broke my whole rocket. 4. There are 4 people on this trip, including the first woman and the first non-white person to take part in a mission to the moon. 5. There's also a stuffed animal on board that shows when they start experiencing weightlessness. Even Yuri Gagarin used that. 6. The smoke we see at launch is mostly water vapor, because the fuels are extremely cold and condense moisture from the air. 7. Artemis is the Greek goddess of the moon and the sister of Apollo, whose name was used for the moon missions 50 years ago. One of the main goals of this mission is to understand how to use the moon as a base to later go to Mars. 9. The astronauts' suits are orange, for the same reason that the black box isn't actually black. Orange stands out a lot against the sky and the sea, which makes rescue easier. In fact, this color even has a name: international: orange. 10. There are times when astronauts can feel up to 5 times heavier. That's because there's acceleration during launch and deceleration during re-entry. 11. Extra tip: Astronaut's Guide to Leaving the Planet, a book written by an astronaut who was once the commander of the International Space Station, and we adapted it here at Manual do Mundo to make it fun, just like our video.